Hello there, just going to show you guys with a 3.9 liter V6 straight pipe sound pipe. It's right on the back. Well, it's technically straight pipe, that muffler. It's a cherry bomb thrush, or thrush glaspack, I mean. Completely got rid of the cat. Just put a straight piece of pipe right there. You can see that, that's where the cat used to be. And then the, right there, there's the thrush glaspack. It sounds really nice, actually. For 3.9, sounds beautiful. I'll just go down here. I will be back in a second. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this straight pipe. It actually sounds really nice. Yeah, goodbye.